I am glad you asked. What's on my mind this morning is basically equipment. I mean, I'm sure from some of you very seasoned motovloggers to startup vloggers, we've all had issues with equipment. I myself am not excluded from such a group. So let me tell you what happened. Well, I bought this product. I won't name any names, Pink Panda. And you know, I had some success with it, you know, motovlogging with the mic and everything, and it was great. Man, it worked perfect. But then, not even a year into using it, it starts acting up. It starts messing up my sound, and it starts to cut out, or there'd be times where I'm vlogging and I play it back on my laptop to edit. There's no sound. It's like watching a colorized version of a silent picture show. Talkies, no talkies. And it's like, oh, maybe it was a fluke. Maybe I didn't have it plugged in. Who knows? All I know is it just didn't work. So I thought I'd give it a try. And try I did. And try it failed. And try it worked. But then it failed. And I said, no mas, no more. So I decided to get a new one, and having some issues with it. I'm not sure if it's my mic adapter or what have you, but it is frustrating. And what makes it more frustrating is that's more money you got to spend. And we all know how expensive equipment can be after a while, you know, especially if you're buying it all the time. It adds up. It adds up. And I need to get me a system that will, a setup that will actually work, not fail. And there is something I'm thinking about buying, but I'm not sure if I want to spend $100 and some odd on it. And it's using a external recorder with a mic, or using one of my older GoPro cameras and using that with a battery interrupter. And I got that idea, which I had no idea it existed, from Shade Tree Surgeon. You know, Shade Tree Surgeon uses a GoPro 4, which I have a couple of, and I was thinking about doing something similar or very similar to his setup, and he's got great success, you know. And man, it's frustrating, man. The stuff that I've been wanting to vlog about, then I vlog, and then gone. Nothing. No sound, no nothing. Anybody thirsty for some Molson's beer? Canadian. Oi. Anyway, wow. Something went kaput there. And I'm trying this again. So I got a MOVO mic now, which I happened to watch Lolly, and she recommended that. And I sent her a message. She said, yeah, great buy. You won't be having any issues like you do with Pink Panda. But hopefully that's the case. Hopefully it's the case that I'm not having issues with it. I hate having issues. I hate not being able to tell you all what's on my mind, and then when I play it back, it's like I might as well just use sign language if I knew what sign language was. And yeah, so that's what's on my mind. Yeah, so I hope you all have a great morning, good week. Hopefully it's raining nothing but sunshine in your neck of the woods. If you're in the upstate north or upstate New York, well, we'll take it as it comes, day by day. Yeah, winter's fast approaching. Trees are really losing their leaves now after peak season change of their colors and such. And yeah, it's coming. It's coming. In fact, I saw on the news a couple of days ago, or last night, I don't remember, Arizona. Wow, you guys are getting snow already. Wow. Not in no hurry for the white stuff to come here yet. I really am not. But anyhow, what can you say or do, right? Move to Florida, be there with all the Zomby Riders. Yeah. Alrighty. But for now, that was what's on my mind. I just wanted to kind of vent a little bit and let you all know. If you have any comments, by all means, please hit that subscribe button, push that bell notification, and hit the thumbs up. You know, that really does help me to be more motivated to make and create more content for you all. Please let me know. Let me know. I'm always open to suggestions, and I would really love to hear from all 31 subscribers that I have. Oh well, but it's better than 0. But hey, let me all know. Until then, this is Old Man Zombie signing out. Have a great day. Keep 2 wheels on the road and look out for each other and be nice. Be nice. Until then, this is Old Man Zombie signing out. Cut.